Hello and welcome to MidnightSilverCrafters.com. My name's Steve and I'll be your host. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super fast, super quick ring clamp. Okay, I'm out here in my shop out here, and I'm over here at my bench, and I'm working. I got a little job that just came in, a little repair job that I got to do for somebody on a ring, and I just thought this would be a real good time to make a video because what I'm going to need for today to do this little repair job is I'm going to need my ring clamp. What I got right here, let me see if I can zoom in on this. Boy, this is really fine. This ring has got some just super fine stones on it. But there's the ring, and I'll tell you what, this thing is super fine. But what I got to do, you see right there in the very center of that mounting, well, there was a little prong on there, and that little prong got broken off, and the lady that brought me this ring, she was all in a tizzy about, you know, about this ring, because there was a pearl on here, and that pearl, it came off somehow. That little prong in the middle broke off. But I can tell you right now that this lady, she thinks this ring is a real expensive ring. She paid a lot of money for it, but I hate to tell her, and I'm not going to be the one to tell her, but this ring right here is nothing but junk. But what this ring actually is, I've seen these before. Now, a prong that's soldered on into the center of a ring that's holding a pearl is not going to break off if this is any kind of a quality ring at all. But you see, I can tell. I already looked at this under high magnification, and what this ring actually is, I'm not going to tell the lady what it is. I'm just going to do what I can. But see, I know what I'm dealing with, because what this ring actually is these rings are made in China, and they're marked 925 sterling silver right on the inside of that shank. Well, let me tell you what the Chinese consider 925 silver is. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. I've seen these lots of times, and any jeweler will tell you these are electroplated plastic. Okay, now I'm going to do what I can do, but I know what I'm dealing with, and if I go, the minute I go to put some heat on this ring, that whole ring is, as soon as I get my torch right up close to it, that whole ring is just going to melt. I've had it happen lots and lots of times, because that's what the Chinese are doing to us. But anyhow, I want to show you something today. I want to show you just a little trick. Now, I need a ring clamp to hold this. This is a delicate ring, but I've got a bunch of people over here. They're doing a bunch of remodeling, and they're doing a lot of work, and they're moving a lot of stuff around out here. And I've got everything discombobulated. I wasn't planning on doing any of this kind of work today at all, but this job came in, and I told the lady I'd see what I could do to help her. But But I'm going to show you a little trick here because I need my ring clamp, and normally my ring clamp would be sitting right on this, right in there, right here is where I keep it. Of course now I've got several, but they're not here, and everything's in my way. I can't get to my stuff because it's all, these guys are doing all this work and it's all crazy. So I'm going to show you a little trick. I just wanted to show you this little trick, and I thought, well, this would be a good time to make this little video. This is just going to be a short video. But if you don't have a ring clamp, what you do, all you do is, I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? You just get you, maybe you're just starting out and you don't have a ring clamp, or, you know, and you haven't bought a ring clamp yet, but you see I got a dowel right here. And now this dowel is split. See that? Okay, now all you do is you just split that dowel. This is a hardwood dowel, but take a good sharp knife, okay, and a baton. If you know what a baton is when you hit something like this. That's what they call batoning it. But you take a good hammer handle or something, and you put your knife blade right here, and you just slowly start batoning that down, and you'll get that crack, and it'll crack just like this. See this crack in here? Now see that crack? All right, now see, this is a real small dowel. See, I don't have my my other vise over here or anything. I'm just winging it with this, but I'm going to show you this little trick. But see, now that dowel there is split. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ring. See, now this is a real thin. Look how thin that ring is. But I'm just going to take that ring right there, and I'm going to slide it back down on that split. Alright, and now this part of the split right here, I'm going to open up the jaws of my vise right here. Alright, I'm going to open my jaws up. Let me see if I can get you over here where we can see a little bit better. I'm going to open up my jaws of my vise, and I'm going to clamp that down, and I'm just using finger pressure, okay? I'm turning that vise, but I'm just using finger pressure now. But I'm going to tell you something right there. Now I got my big vise here. This is my big vise I do all my silversmithing on, and you know, it's got my big anvil and everything back here. But right there you go. Okay, now this ring is absolutely right, and this is just finger tight. Okay, you don't have to do it because look, the wood right here is together, see? But there's your ring clamp. Now, see, now this is a small dowel. Now if you had a ring with a big thick shank on it, here of course this is a real wide thick shank, but it don't matter what size ring, you know, you're dealing with. Here's just a ring, you know, see, here's a, you know, this is a men's ring with a little bit of a thicker shank. Well, it's way thicker than that. So in this case, you just find you a bigger dowel and you do the same thing. But there you go. Now, see, now this thing right here is rock solid, see? And I mean, I can come in here. All right, now I'm gonna just come in here, and I'm gonna get my magnification on this. And I'm gonna work on this ring. You know, I'm just showing you this is a way Okay, see now, I can see now. Okay, I got more light too, but and then I'm just going to come in here, put the right bit that I need on the end of my flex shaft. See, and I can work on this now. Now this ring is held solid as a rock, and I don't have to worry about this ring going anywhere. It's held firmly while I work on it. But I just wanted to share this little tip with you for today. This is just a quick short video, just a little tip on how you can make a real good ring clamp. But I would like to say that the channel is growing, and I really am excited about a whole lot of different things I got going on. But I want to tell everybody I got a whole lot of silversmithing videos coming up. Okay, on a lot more stuff like this. I've been doing a lot of casting lately. I got a big casting job, and then I got a big project that I'm working on with my buddy over there in the UK, David Cullison. Me and David are working on a great big project, and that's going to be the very next video right after this one. And I'm telling you, this is one video coming up. If you want to do some lost wax casting, if you want to do lost wax casting and jewelry casting, this video coming up is going to be epic. And me and David are working on this project. We've been talking about it today. But this video, I'm hoping to have this video up in just a couple hours. Okay, so, but you know, sometimes it takes a while because, you know, we got to do editing and this and that. But this video is going to be epic, and you're not going to want to miss it. Okay, and what this video is going to be about is going to be about making trees and lost wax casting and treeing up all your wax patterns. But this is an absolute breakthrough. Okay, and this is something that you really want to learn. This you'll see when we get into the video. And then right after that, and we're going to do some casting. We're going to cast some tokens up. We're going to cast some tokens out of bronze. And then right after that, the very next video, okay, we're gonna make us a belt buckle, and we're going to cast it out of bronze. It's just going to be awesome. And that's going to be a start to finish. Both of these next two videos are going to be start to finish. In other words, it's the whole process from beginning to end, we're going to show it. I'm going to show it. And you don't want to miss these next two videos coming up. I really do appreciate all my new subscribers, and I really appreciate everybody that's been joining up on in my Facebook jewelry group. David's helping me out. David Cullison, he's my moderator, and David's doing a real good job as a moderator for me. And you know, I might be looking for some more moderators and stuff too. So if that's something you might be interested in, you know, but just come on over to my Facebook jewelry group. There's links right in the description of this video. There's links to my jewelry group, and there's also links to my website. Well, all right. I really do hope you will subscribe, because I think you'll learn a lot, and I'd love to have you as a member of this channel. But all right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this little job finished up. I'm waiting on my girlfriend here to get home from work, and she's gonna be going out of town and going to the airport and stuff, so I'm gonna have to go take her to the airport. But all right, well, I think I'm gonna end this one here. So it's been fun. My name's Steve, and I'll talk to you in the next video.